So just wanted to do a little quick video today. I'm expecting a shipment from Estes anytime. They're going to come and drop off some replacement parts for my land plane. At some point, my Homestead Implements land plane, I caught a root, caught something, and it bent the frame. So the frame for the blades. And it's over here. And as you can see, it's pretty bent. So anyway, I called them and I was able to salvage the blade, which it's right there. And so now we're just waiting on them to come, and we're gonna change out that frame, that inner frame, put the blades back together, and we'll be on to the next project. But just want to touch base with everybody today, see how they're doing, how you're doing. Like I said, we're gonna get this changed out, and we'll go from there. Okay, so here is the replacement frame, which is that all through there. There's two bars that run across, and then it runs that way on the land plane. But those are the two frames. I was able to reuse the blade, and the front blade is the one that was bent. I was able to reuse that, and then the rear blade is the original. So all in all, everything's good. It's back together. Once again, big tool rack, quick hitch. That thing is amazing. Hooks right up to these implements. So these are Homestead implements. This is a Pinnacle Series land plane, and hooks right up to it. Really nice. So, all right, well, that's it for today. Just wanted to give you a quick update what's going on, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks. All right, so just got the Homestead Implements land plane all put back together. I don't know if you really see how bent that piece was, but this is what it looked like to the new one. But anyway, I want to thank, shout out to Chris Oakes, Homestead Implements. Handled my problem, and it was over the holidays. So I got my order. He told me it'd be a couple weeks, and then within a couple weeks it showed up. So very pleased, very happy. Customer service is great. So if you're looking for some good implements, Homestead Implements, they're really good. So anyway, like I said, this is about it for today. So if you like what you're watching, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.